Welcome everyone. Welcome to the live session. We missed our yesterday's live. So beginning another live session, we can see the market start to move slowly as volatile time coming up. If we look at calendar first that I would be looking at before we do any analysis. Looking at calendar, 12 p.m. tomorrow coming up, NZD, official cash rate, RBNZ statement, rate statement, and then followed by FOMC meeting minutes, 11:30 p.m. coming up after tomorrow, core CPI. So basically all of this will have an impact in the market definitely. So with that being said, let's look at the market. First of all, we'll be looking at the XAUUSD, and also we'll be looking at other instruments as well to see how we can find trading opportunity in this market. Before I do the full analysis, I would like to see that all of you are here. You can write something on the live chat to see that if you guys have joined that live session, and I hope that I'm visible, though I can't see my screen. I don't know why it's not broadcasting. It's broadcasting. So give a thumbs up, guys, before we do the full analysis. Will be helpful to the channel, as well as to show more more motivation to create more content. Okay, so let's start with this one here. Okay, so on XAUUSD, we can see that looking at the monthly on XAUUSD, from the monthly perspective, this is the monthly price action, and with this monthly price action, we can see significant impulse here, followed by pullback, and we can see another impulse on the monthly. And if we closely look at, we can see that this is the monthly support level here on XAUUSD. There was a long wick candle here. That means the price tested that support, and now it is again having another bounce. So because it's a long-term bull market, we saw the price on the support. I expected further drop early today. Probably you guys have seen the analysis. The market has dropped, but again, we see that another rejection. So let's see where the price might be heading for long-term picture. Looking at the weekly, now weekly price action, we see that the price respected the previous weekly low, which I expected to break down this afternoon, but I think the market might be played out as per the weekly forex forecast. The price might remain a little bit in a range bound. So let's draw the weekly resistance here. What we can expect on the weekly, this is the weekly resistance where there is a gap open. Therefore, looking at the daily chart, from the daily, we can see that the price crossed all this low, forming a potential bullish candlestick pattern on the daily. And now I'm dropping down to further lower time frame, 15 minutes and even the 1 minute chart we will be trading on. But overall picture always gives us a little more clearer picture of how the market might be doing. So if we look at the 1 minute here, we can see that from the 1 minute perspective, this is where we can see the price is basically strongly bullish here. Okay, so what we can see here, this is a bull market, massive bull pullback. The market is forming series of higher high and higher low, which is an uptrending market structure. And what we can see here in this lower time frame, okay, so what we can see here is, you can see the market is forming series of higher high and higher low. So if I look at the 5 minute chart, we can see that from the 5 minutes, this is a massive impulse. We saw two long wick pin bar here, And I think that the market might a little still be remaining bullish. We saw 4-hour 20 MA retest, and this is the zone which is the weekly resistance level. We might see now a potential retest on the weekly resistance. So looking for the 1 minute chart, we can see that this is currently in a strong uptrend. Therefore, I will be waiting for a potential break of a structure, and then we can look for entry opportunity. I hope that you guys understanding, and you can ask any question on the live chat if you have. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. Thank you very much. Anand, good evening, coach from Dubai. Thank you very much. And GI, hello, welcome. Lebo, afternoon, everyone. I'm here. Thank you very much. Watch from Pacific, New South Wales, US. Thank you for joining. And yeah, appreciate your support, guys. It's important that we support each other in the channel. Now, here what we can see in this market, this is you guys look at, you can see this is a pretty strongly bull market at the moment on the lower time frame. So any pullback towards the downside will be an opportunity to go long on that. We'll be waiting for the price to come down for a deeper pullback, and then we'll be looking for potential entry opportunity on XAUUSD. We'll see that where it is heading. And in the meantime, any question also you can ask. I see the likes is still not there. If you guys like this stream, will be helpful. Good morning. Thank you very much. How are you doing, coach? I'm good. Thank you for joining the live session. Okay, so we have seen a couple of areas where you can see the market basically forming that structure. Okay, so here is what we can see. It is a pretty strong impulse on XAUUSD here, and from the lower time frame, we can expect a break of a structure before we can look for any potential entry. We'll see where it is heading. If you guys have any question, you can let me know in the live chat. We'll be waiting for a potential entry opportunity. So you can see that the market basically here showing significant bullish impulse in that area. And with that bullish impulse, we will be waiting for the price to come back down for a deeper pullback, and then we can look for entry opportunity. We'll see where it is heading. I will be waiting for a potential break of structure. We'll see where it is heading, and then based on that we can look for potential entry opportunity. So lower time frame price action on XAUUSD currently showing that bull market. We will be waiting for a deeper pullback, and then we can look for entry opportunity. This is an important level of support here, and from that support expecting for the market to come down, retest, and then to revert back to the upside. Okay, so what we can see in this area, this is a very strongly bull market. In the meantime, traders, if you have any question, you can ask using the live chat. What does the green mark on PEEP represent? What does the green mark on the PEEP which that, where this one you mean? What do you mean by green mark on PEEP? If you guys enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. We can see that there is a very strong rejection from the top, and because the market is breaking below, we might see that the price coming well below the support. We might see that potentially the market breaking below. We could see this is what I'm waiting on XAUUSD for a rejection. So if you look at the daily, where we can see that this is the daily support, and from that daily support the market is getting a rejection, and so this is the daily support, which is also an important order block. Expecting for this price to come back well below and then to revert back to the upside to see how the price might be doing. Okay, here what we can see, the price is slowly reverting back towards the upside. We saw a break of structure in that area, and with this break of structure we might see that the price returning back towards the upside to see where it is heading. If you guys enjoyed the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. So we can see the market slowly trying to revert back towards the upside. Okay, so what we can expect here, a potential rejection from the top. We might see that a deeper pullback before we can expect another bounce. If you guys enjoying the live session, stick till the end of the live session to see how the market is doing. You can see there is a 1 minute a very strong candle formation. So this is a we can see this is a massive bullish engulfer here on the 1 minute, and with that bullish engulfer, expecting XAUUSD to bounce back up to create a new higher high. So we can see a potentially bullish market structure on XAUUSD. For long-term picture, we might see that the price is remaining bullish, bigger picture. So this is the what we can see on the 15-minute chart. It's also a liquidity candle formation on the 15 minutes. So if you are not sure about the liquidity, you can let me know. We can discuss more on that. And at the moment, we can see the price is heading to this level where there is an important resistance line here. And I think that we might see a potential bounce, as we have seen the price grab a good amount of liquidity here in that area. You guys are ready for another bounce. And here what I will be doing, I will be putting a buy stop in that area, the price stop loss below this level. I will be explaining also later the strategy what I am using. So I'm putting a buy stop on XAUUSD at 2649. At 2649, 2649.46. Stop loss at 2647.035, and the TP target at I'm putting at 2656.26. 2656.26. I think it's already there. Okay, so I got triggered on the trade. So XAUUSD, I'm bullish, and as you can see, there is a bullish market structure here. I'm bullish on XAUUSD. The trade is running. I'll be also explaining later the strategy that I'm trading. But keep in mind that risk management is key. If you're not doing the risk management, then it's not gonna work for you. So it's important that you do the risk management properly when you are trading, which is very, very important as a trader to look at. Now, buy stop, I placed the buy stop here on XAUUSD. The market is slowly bouncing back to the upside, expecting it to revert back to the resistance line to see how the price might be doing. And let's hold the trade. I'm on that one. It's a very tight trade, lower time frame price action. There was a liquidity candle, and based on that we have opened that position. And in addition to that, if you're enjoying the live session, don't miss out to join the free Telegram channel as well. Also, if you guys look at here, what we can see that if you want to check out the website, also the strategy that I'm trading, also I'm teaching in the academy. If you guys haven't joined yet, you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com to trade with liquidity, to learn and grow as a trader. So you can find that link in the description. Visit the website and then click join now button. You'll be able to join, get access to all my courses and strategies that I am trading at the moment. So here what we can see, this is XAUUSD. The market is potentially still bullish. I'm expecting it to return back to the upside with a stronger momentum. So you can see the market structure basically is bullish. But we can see there is a 1 minute bull candle. Now it's important to see either the market is heading towards the upside or it's again returning back towards the downside. And I think that the market structure is typically a bull market, so expecting it to remain to the upside as the market bounce from the monthly support level. So there was a bounce from the monthly support, and let's see how far it is heading at the moment. So looking at from that point of view, we can see that it's basically reverting to the upside. So this is the, if you guys look at it, you can see this is the 5-minute chart, and from that 5 minutes perspective, the market is trending at the moment, and I want to see that it's getting bounced. So there is a liquidity candle, and let's see how far it might be able to move further. So if we see that there is a rejection, could be, or it might come for a deeper pullback. I'm still expecting further upside, unless it wants to grab more liquidity in that area. Okay, wanting to see that it's being able to revert back to the upside with a stronger momentum. Now let's see the 15 minutes. Okay, there is a rejection. So there is a rejection. Let's see that where it is trying to be heading. So that might be 15 minutes. Okay, it might grab liquidity and then may continue to rise, or We don't want to see that a head and shoulder in that area. So if it is forming a head and shoulder, have to wait to see how far it might be heading. We have around 25 pip stop loss on that. Okay. Now, price on a very crucial level. Okay, here, how this candle will close also it's important to look at. Okay, expecting it to remain. Okay, so here this 15th candle was really a weird one. I really expected to close above, but it's coming for a deeper pullback, and that really, okay, so there is a rejection again. Okay, so there's a rejection, which is one way to see how it is playing out. Okay, we can see that there is a rejection and a doji formation. If that one is a liquidity grab stronger, we might see the market is ultimately bouncing back to the upside to the major direction of the trend. We are a little in a drawdown, but expecting it to bounce and then to continue with the trend. We'll see. If you look at the 15 minutes here, we can see that there is a this 15 minute candle is a it grabbed liquidity from the support, and therefore we might see that the market is in fact heading in that direction. So we'll see how far it goes. Okay, guys, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Awesome, thank you. And now we are at entry. Okay. Okay, what you can see here, there is a doji, and you know, this 1 minute candle, expecting it to because it had grab again liquidity. Okay, here is this rejection. It's not expected. Let's see the 15 minutes how the price might be doing here. I will still be biased to the upside, but we are on the halfway of this trade. Try open it just rejected unexpectedly. Okay, if it get a rejection from here, we still can expect it to remain bullish. Okay, so there is a doji, still expecting for the market to bounce and then to create a new higher high. Now here is the point, if the market is trending or it's breaking below. Okay, we can see there is a initial bounce. Awesome, thank you for joining the live session. And also at the end of the live session there will be a giveaway for all of for one of you. One lucky winner will be able to join the academy with the lifetime access. And in addition to that, if you want to check out more, you can visit the website and then click join now button if you want to right now get access to the academy and then get access to all the courses and everything. If you want to be part of the trading community right now, being part of trading community is what I think that essential for every trader, because when I begin my trading, I understand that how it is important to be part of the community, because if you don't have a community, that means that probably you are not fully grounded how trading works. And this is what I see in my whole journey. One mistake could cost you a lot, but if you are connected with a community, definitely there is always something that you can find that probably you have never experienced before. And so I would recommend you to join a trading community. It doesn't have to be here, you can be anywhere, but always stay connected with the like-minded traders so that you can learn that how trading works. Because many traders try to get rich overnight, but it's all about risk management. It's all about emotional control that that many traders don't understand, especially when they begin their trading journey. So when you are with the community together, everyone trading together, you will have a bigger understanding. You'll know that exactly how trading works, and then you can scale up your learning, scale up your growth, because becoming a profitable trader means that you basically you have a lot of freedom as a trader. So I would like to know that how many traders here really dream to be a profitable, or if you are a profitable, also you can share. Mike, yes, thank you very much. Tons of time. How can I catch market trends, sir? Okay, we'll be discussing on that. Thank you very much. Good morning. Good morning. 2646. Good morning, guys. Have an awesome day. Thank you very much. Have an awesome day too. Hey, coach, I contacted the support about the giveaway last Friday. Yes, you should be able to get it very soon. Thanks for letting us know. We'll be sending you very soon. How can I catch market trends, sir? Okay, so to catch market trend, you first need to understand when the market is in trend, right? So how do you know that when the market is in trend? The way you'll know the market is in trend, can anyone reply to that question? How do you know that when the market is in trend? So here, after we open the trade, the market basically in a sideway. In the meantime, I would like to know that how many traders you think that, how do you identify if a market in a trend? Do you have an idea? Anyone? Anthony, how are you? I'm good. Thank you very much, Anthony. JR, what time frame this, coach? Which one? This one? This is 1 minute chart on XAUUSD. Okay, the question is, how do you understand that the market is trending? Making higher highs or new lows depending on the trend. Okay, so basically another way of saying that, understanding the market structure. So market structure is the backbone of the market. All my strategy is based on the trend. So trend is very important. So the way you will understand the trend is by analyzing the market structure. Market structure, liquidity, and price actions. These are the three fundamental aspects of the market. Like the three fundamental aspects of a human being is thinking, action, and emotion, right? So if you analyze a human being, you will find only three things: how he or she thinks, what's his or her emotion, and then what his or her action. These three things will determine a person as who or he is. Similarly, you will find the market, you will understand the market from three aspects. You don't need anything else, don't need a bunch of indicators, a lot of things. There are only three things that you need to know is market structure, because the market either will go right, left, or a sideway. So which is basically will give you a directional bias in the market, because to trade in the market you need to answer W, W, and W, right? So 3 W you need to know, not dot. So only W, W, W. So the first W is which way. That will give you the answer either to buy or sell will come from the market structure. Because if the market is bullish, you need to trade with the trend, right? So you need to make your trading decision. Basically, I do that, always trading with the trend. So you got the first W. Second W is when, right? So you found the market structure bullish, the market is going up, but when? Should you trigger it now or wait for finishing a nap? So you need to know when, right? So that when will come from the price action. So after a price action confirmation, right? So this is the fundamental way to look at the market. So what is the third W? This is where many traders also fail to understand, that just opening a trade, finding a right direction, everything is perfect. The trade will be, highly winning trade. But if you don't answer the third W, which is the why, sometimes we mess up, right? Because trading is emotional, and more often traders, close. It happened to me also when I begin my trading. You know, I used to close the trade early enough before it becomes mature enough, because of, you know, the emotional response when we are trading. So when you know the third W, which is the why you are trading, right? So you can ask this question: why am I trading? Okay, so what's the reason? So when you have an emotional component in it, probably it could be anything that you want to achieve from the trading, that will give you more drive to take that trade to its full potential. Maybe 5 times profit target, 3 times, 2 times, or maybe the way following the plan and the strategy that will come from that triple W. So when you understand that, it becomes much easier as a trader. In the meantime, we see our trade is in the it's going in the direction which is good for us to see that. Basically, you know, I'm looking at some running. So we are on the trade currently. So basically, 20 pip running. I would like to hold it because there was a liquidity grab. The market managed to bounce. So let's see how far we can hold it. And I believe that you guys also doing the risk management, which is very important as a trader, to do the risk management. Without risk management, it's impossible to become profitable as a trader. So what you can see here is basically this is the 1 minute chart. So looking at the 15 minutes, what we can see, this is a bull market. Another candle that you can see, it's basically bullish. Just has dropped again for another, I think another, trying to break again, but I'm still holding it. We can see that the market basically trying to bounce back up. And in the meantime, check out the website, guys. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Visit www.forextradingwizard.com. Here you will learn how to trade with liquidity, which is the fuel of the market. The price moves from liquidity to liquidity. So if you want to explore more, visit the website. Any question, don't hesitate to ask. We'll be discussing in depth of understanding how you can learn and grow as a trader with me in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So here what we can see, this is a massive bounce here, and expecting for the market to keep pushing high to create a new higher high. So if the market goes up, close above candle, we might bring the stop loss at entry. Don't now. First let it bounce back up. Okay, so here what you can expect for the market to remain bullish to the upside. Nonsense. Come on. Okay, anyway, forget it. So here what we can see, the market is trending, and we can expect it to remain bullish, but I see a little bit of, I wanted to see the candle closed above so that we can move the stop loss at entry. Now it's gonna be a little bit of risky here. Okay, So there is a doji formation on the. All right, so this is what I'm wanting to see, that it's closing as a bull candle, but if it is closing as a red candle, we might see again dropping for a pullback. So let's see if we will be moving the stop loss at entry or how many pip at the moment. So what I'm going to do, guys, here I will be taking 30% profit off the market. So basically whatever the lot size, so if it is one lot, then I will be closing partially to 0.3 lot, and 0.7 lot I will be running, and I will be moving the stop loss at entry to make the trade break even, so that we are not losing anything, but so that we can stay on that. So I'm taking 30% profit off, and I'm moving the stop loss at entry on this trade, though we see that the market potentially could push up. So just to make the trade break even, so I move my stop loss at entry, and I have taken the 30% profit. So if it drop here, then we will be exiting with a little profit in it, but it's still on that. It's now a risk-free trade, just letting you know. This is what I'm doing. So it's a risk-free trade at the moment, and we're looking to see how the market might be doing. Okay, we can see that it's potentially heading to the upside. Potentially, let's see how far it might be going. Thanks, guys, and absolutely appreciate your support. And also, we'll be talking about the euro dollar a little bit. Let's let it grow a little bit to the upside potentially. Thank you. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't done, you can do so. Okay, so if you guys haven't subscribed yet, I would recommend you to do so. Definitely, there are a lot of content that you will find every single day. Okay, what you can see here in this area, market is forming that doji, expecting it to form a doji. Okay, so this is where 1 minute, this candle, expecting it to still to remain bullish. If this one is closing as a long week candle, you might see that the price potentially breaking to the upside. We'll see how far it might be going. Expecting still to remain bullish. All right, cool. We can see the market slowly turning to a potentially bull market. Okay, expecting it to move up and fill that long wick. So there's a wick at the top. Are you guys with me? Thank you. Go to higher time frame. Thank you. Thanks, coach. Welcome. Check market, coach. Do you think it may go beyond 2656? Could be, because if the market bounce, we might see potentially a stronger bounce. Okay, so anything can happen in trading, as you know that. So it may go up to the resistance line. So we will be basically trading based on what we see. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Okay, here still holding it. Still holding it. The market trend, look at here, 30 minutes. So it has got a very strong rejection from the monthly support. I expected it to break down early today, but the market might do always completely different. More often you see that the market may not do exactly we expected. That is why it is essential that as a trader you do the risk management. If you don't own the risk management, basically you're not on the right direction. So which is absolutely important that you do the risk management, which is very important. You can see that there is a series of higher low formation here, and so we can see series of higher low formation. So there is a here is a weekly candle. There is a doji, and with the doji formation, expecting for this market to remain bullish. We'll see that if it is managing to bounce. There's a doji, and one thing to see that this market is, it's very a little bit of weird consolidation here, and we'll see where it is heading. Right. It's a risk-free trade. We will be waiting for what happened, and then we'll be also looking for another opportunity to see how the market might be doing. There is a support here. It's an important level of support, and yeah, from that support we see the market turning to be a bull, which is expected here. Okay, so there is a bullish engulfer here, and with that bullish engulfer, what we can see, this is the 1 minute chart. We can see the market basically trying to revert back to the upside to create a new higher high. Okay, so if the market again break below, then we might be need to get out of that. Okay, here we can see the market slowly reverting back to the upside to create a new higher high to see where it is heading. We can see that there is a 20 EMA retest, and the market slowly trying to bounce back up. Okay, this is what I expected, and if we see the market manage to bounce aggressively, we might be trail some of the stop loss here to create a new higher high. Now we can see the market trying to bounce and expecting for this price to move back up to create a new higher high. Okay, so we see potentially successfully the market, the candle close above on the 1 minute. Now at the moment, what I will be, so our stop loss is here. So I would like to trail some peep here to gain to manage some more peep. So basically, I'm trailing it to this level. I'm moving my stop loss at 2650.67 to secure some of that. So just to what's happening? Okay. So the stop loss, I'm moving on XAUUSD 2650.67. Okay, if it drops, then we will be exiting the trade with a little bit of see, we might need to exit that on the running profit. If it breaks, that means we might see even a trend reversal. So I'm out with the running profit on that. Okay, so here what you can see that it basically managed to drop in that area. So I'm out with the so previous one 30% and then some more pip here. At the moment, it may come a little deeper pullback. We'll see how far coming, and then will if we find any other entry, we'll be looking for entry again. Now, how far it will drop, it's an important point to look at. Now, this is a bull market, and with that bull market, we can see that rejection. So we are out on the trade, but it will be waiting for the market to show how it might be doing. We'll be re-entering if we see a potential entry. Now, looking at the intraday from the 4-hour perspective, we can see that this is a bullish, potentially bullish candlestick pattern, and with that bullish candlestick pattern, the price on the support level here, and so this is the 5 minutes bearish candle. So we might see a little more deeper liquidity grab, and then we could see that the price is heading towards the upside to seek to create a new higher high. With this doji formation, expecting it to revert back. Let's see where it is heading. Okay, getting some rejection, which is either correction or continuation. We'll see that. Okay, so there is a after this drop, the market slowly returning back to the upside to create a new higher high. So let's see where it is heading. Now, if the price reject with this candle, then we might see it's coming back to that level here. Let's see where we can expect for the market to return. And patience is key, guys. Patience is key. We can see that some rejection coming, and tomorrow also there's a news coming up, so you will be able to see a significant movement. So what I'm expecting. Okay, now what else we can do? So we have secured that trade on XAUUSD. I would like to look at on euro dollar how the market might be doing on euro dollar. We were running a trade on euro dollar, and also one is on GBPJPY. GBPJPY as well doing very well. I will be also looking at GBPJPY, how the price might be doing on GJ. Now GBPJPY is quite significant, as I will be doing a full analysis on GBPJPY. We're running a trade on GJ, and we'll be waiting for this market to bounce back up to create a new higher high. And I will be doing a full analysis on GJ. Now, before I go to the full analysis, I would appreciate if you guys give a thumbs up. If you smash the like button, will be helpful. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So, looking at on GBPJPY, what we can see that GJ is, this is a, if we look at here, we can see this is a very strong impulse on GJ, followed by, we can see there was a pullback here. Now, what we can see, couple of doji formation on GBPJPY. If we closely look at, we can see that on GJ, we have seen there was a narrow doji followed by another long week candle. There is another bullish candle followed by previous session we saw that complete retest of this previous resistance, which is turning support here. So we saw that order block retest on GJ. Now after this order block retest, we can see that the market managed to bounce, and currently this is the 4-hour time frame on GBPJPY, which is basically moving back to the upside to create a new higher high. So what we can expect on GJ for this market, what I think that, as we can see, the price tested the order block and it's now potentially trending towards the upside to create a new higher high. So GBPJPY may continue to rise to the upside to create a new higher high. We'll see where the market might be heading here on GJ. Depending on how the price is doing, we can look for potential trading opportunity. Currently I'm running a trade. I will be waiting for further entry opportunity on GBPJPY. We can see the market is basically trending in that direction. We can see here on GJ from the lower time frame, the market is bullish. Okay, so which is basically a very strong bull market. Currently, after multiple liquidity gap, it's trying to break, and I think that it might lead back to that resistance line here on GBPJPY. We'll see how far it might be heading. So there is a gap open and the market trying to bounce. I believe that guys, you're enjoying the live session. Make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. In addition to that, also you can join the free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video in the description. So with the free Telegram channel, also you can see many of my trade ideas I share on the free Telegram channel, where also you can learn and grow as a trader with me. So here is from the 4 hour, we can see that there is a rejection on euro dollar. With the euro dollar price action, I will be waiting for the market to retest and then to continue to the upside to create a new higher high. While we can see that XAUUSD again started to bounce back up, which is coming back to it again on XAUUSD. And because you can see that after forming a double bottom, it revert back to the upside on XAUUSD, we may see that this market is remaining bullish to the upside to create a new higher high. And yeah, we can see the market trending in that direction, which is good for us to see that. So euro dollar and XAUUSD has managed to bounce again. Okay, so from the 15 minutes, we see that there is a very strong liquidity candle, back to back two liquidity candle formation on XAUUSD has given a very strong momentum in this market. So we will be looking to see where the price might be heading to. As we can see with this bullish engulfer, there's another narrow candle formation, and we can expect for the market to remain bullish to the upside. This is an important liquidity zone here, which is a resistance here. Also, there is resistance here, a back-to-back two important liquidity zone, and in both of them, we can expect for the market to because there are two liquidity candle. But I think that it may remain bullish for long term. While we can see that, yeah, I want to keep eye on XAUUSD, which is trending at the moment. And if you guys enjoyed this previous trade on XAUUSD, I believe that you enjoyed that. Make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Okay, pretty strong bounce. Expecting this market to remain bullish for long-term picture. It's some new music, isn't it? Not too big. Okay, so euro dollar also slowly again returning back to the original direction of the trend. GBPJPY quite aggressively bullish. We have opened the trade on GJ. Thank you. I see the likes is almost half of the views. So if you guys push it to the 100 will be helpful. GBPJPY is trending very nicely. We look at XAUUSD and GJ. Okay, we can see this is the 30 minutes time frame. We can see that the market basically forming a very strong bullish market structure, and with that bull market wanting to see that XAUUSD returning back to the upside, we might see that momentum. And at the moment we can see it's still uptrend. We will be waiting for further entry. As soon as we will find that, we have secured one trade on that and would like to keep pushing forward. Okay, so let's look at the calendar to see what's happening, what's coming up. So looking at the calendar, what we can see, tomorrow, which is a very important day for NZD, which also will impact XAUUSD, followed by FOMC meeting minutes, will be also an important day for, if we look at, XAUUSD definitely will have a good move on that. And because it was in a, if you look at here, it's in a trend, it was in a sideways movement, and the market managed to bounce. And I think that how the daily candle will close will determine what kind of price action it might form, that in the upcoming session. GBPJPY, we can see that it's basically trending, and we have seen we are on a trade on that. It's also trading in that direction, it's moving in that direction on GJ, and I think that we might see that trend continuation pattern because it's a long-term bull market. So among all of them, I will be more interested on GBPJPY than any other thing. So you can see the dollar yen also, that means that yen pairs showing a very good movement in the market. So therefore we will be looking for potential further entry opportunity on GJ and dollar yen as soon as we will find that, along with XAUUSD. We are looking at observing that market at the moment until we find a better entry opportunity. We'll be observing the market. And as you know that I come twice. Today we missed the Tokyo sessions live. Tomorrow will be again resume both of that live session. I want to see all of you there. And before I leave today, I want to announce the giveaway for joining the academy with so the giveaway, the keyword for the giveaway will be liquidity. So I'm putting a keyword which is the liquidity, that our old keyword. So you can write that keyword on the live chat to enter into the competition, and let's be part of the community. One of you, one lucky member, can join the academy with completely for free if you are winner. So you can write on the live chat that keyword to enter into the competition. Then I will be announcing that giveaway liquidity. Yeah. So you can write on the live chat. So we'll be waiting for so Mahad. So you can enter into the competition for the giveaway. I see 3 eligible members on the giveaway. So we found 5 eligible members. I need to disable that one. So we found 8 eligible members in the giveaway. So you can write that keyword to enter into the competition. So we found 9 eligible members to enter into the competition for the giveaway. We found 9 eligible members, 11 eligible members. You can write that keyword to enter into the competition. So we'll be rolling it up very soon. Awesome, we found 11 eligible members. So I'm going to roll it up to find the lucky winner for this giveaway. So we are rolling at GS is today's lucky winner for the giveaway, and you can visit the website. You can find link below this video. So we may so today is the giveaway. From next session we may announce only one giveaway per week, so that we can keep everything in a competitive way, because I would like to keep the the education is more with the high quality. So GS, you can visit the website and you send your email address. From the next giveaway we can announce weekly. So thank you for joining this live session. I really appreciate your support to the channel. With that being said, thank you, and we'll see you again trading live together. Until then, stay well, stay happy.